Hey everyone, how are you guys doing tonight? Hey, we're gonna do an easy beginner's craft tonight. I'm gonna keep it real simple, and actually we're gonna do the matching one to our Love Our Latte that we did last night. We're gonna do Let's Bake Cookies in a shimmery gold. So I thought that would look really yummy and fun. So I'm just gonna start by taking off this chalk that I created a while back or whatever. So as you can see, it's hard, so our chalk goes on wet and dries hard, and so it stays on there for as long as you want, but when you're ready to redo a design, you just take some water, or I have a Lysol wipe, and just get it wet. I was gonna get some water. And just take it off. Take it off for your next design. It's that easy. So this is a great project for fun, just for you, or you know, if you're a beginner, if you like cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? What's your favorite cookie, girls? As you're jumping on, tell me hello and tell me your favorite cookie. But you know, this would be a great one with the kids when you're baking cookies and you're kind of waiting for that timer to go off. You could keep them busy by creating this little chalkboard sign, some little chalkboard art with them. Have fun with it. So I don't know, did you see yesterday's project? So we're gonna kind of pair it up with this little guy. I Love You Latte is from our pillar and our base, and this is actually another pillar base that I'm just gonna you know, use the bottom of it. And then I actually chalked on this little metal milk can, and it's so cute. Look, I put a little coffee cup on it. So I thought that was so cute. Okay, so let's get started. And you know, guys, let me know if you have questions as we're going along, and I will get back to you for sure. If I don't get back to you on here, just send me a direct message and I'll get back to you. I know. Sometimes Facebook gets a little crazy with their messages and doesn't give you, you know, they don't pop up. You know, it's kind of weird. So anyway, if I don't answer your text or whatever, your comment, it's oops, sorry. It's not because I'm ignoring you. It's because I didn't realize you put it on there. So, oh. This is, this shimmery gold is like a warm, I mean, it looks just like maybe a chocolate chip cookie, which I'm gonna tell you, my favorite cookie is chocolate chip cookies. And sprinkle a little pecans in there, and I'm in. So it's hard for me to pass up a chocolate chip cookie. How about you? What's like your cookie that is hard to pass up? Whoop. That on there. Just gonna dab this around. How was your day, guys? Did you actually have a pretty good day today? Hey, thanks for joining. I actually had a pretty chill day. It was kind of raining off and on all day, but it was still a good day. Kind of cooled off the weather a little bit. It's already kind of getting warm here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to get my air conditioner going. Did you guys go from like freezing to like need to turn on your air conditioner? So we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna take up the excess and put it back in my jar because it doesn't really need a whole lot of paste. So these little containers will last you a while. And then I'm gonna kind of show you how I plan to decorate it in my kitchen. So put this off to the side. And I'll take this to my sink and wash it, and then leave it with the sticky side up. And let me show you as this is coming off. Leave it sticky side up and let it dry, and then I'll put it back on the backer sheet. Isn't that cute? Hold on, I'll turn it right side up. So I can reuse it. So these are silk screens, and they're reusable, and I can use them with the paste or the ink. It doesn't matter. The paste, as you could see, was you know, it's removable, so it's pretty much foolproof. So it's a great, you know, beginner's craft, and a great craft to do with your kiddos. You know, they always need to feel like they accomplished something. So, hey, I need to feel like I accomplished something, right? We all need to feel that way. But having a craft that's easy for them to do is important, especially for this summer. I mean, trying to keep those kiddos busy during the summer is going to be, it's going to be fun. So let me see if I can put this little guy in here. So this is kind of how I would decorate it in my, if you can see that. So I would just put that there and have it in my kitchen. At the coffee bar, of course, you will always need your latte and your cookies. Who has lattes and cookies? And do you do it in the afternoon, or do you do it first thing in the morning? So that's it. That's the easy beginner's craft. That's a great way to get started. You know, this comes with two. So it comes with the Let's Bake and I Love You Latte, which would be great for, you know, your coffee bar, or maybe you have a coffee shop that you would like to put it in. And that's it. So I was going to tell you guys, I was going to show you the canvas for you guys that are thinking about joining the Chalk Couture, which is just our Happy Mail. I don't know if you can see that, but this is this month's video that I, sorry, it's making me sick. Okay, all that waving back and forth. Okay, but if you are thinking about doing the Chalk Couture, this is this month's video that my Chalk Couture members get exclusively just from me. Oh, hey, how are you guys doing? Thanks for joining. So if you want the video project for this one, you know, join by, what is it, May 31st, the end of the month, and you'll get this sent to you in an email. And this is only for my club members. But the club members, it's just Happy Mail that you get each month for $19.99, and loads of benefits. You get discounted shipping, and you get discount products each month. It depends on what the month is. They're doing something different for you guys. So it's kind of our, they say it's the year of our club members. So loads of benefits just for being a club member. So if you're interested in learning more about that, you can drop a club in the comments and I will get you a link for that. If you're interested in doing what I'm doing, just type in join and I'll get you the information on that. And of course, if you're interested in doing the project from the last two evenings, the Let's Bake and I Love You Latte, and would like the supply list, just drop a DIY and I'll send you a message with the supply list on that. So again, thanks for joining. And if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments or shoot me a direct message and I'll get back to you. So have a good one. Bye.